Yeah.
For those that don't know you, what's your name, sir?
Ammo Williams.
Ammo Williams. Okay, so you're gonna be fighting on the undercard of Progais against Josh Taylor.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to make a statement. I'm about to make a big statement. Here, I got to fight in front of a lot of the British people on Anthony Joshua versus Ruiz. They was real fond of me, so they wanted me to come to London. So I talked to Eddie Hearn. We made it happen. So I got to make a statement. I gotta be just as exciting as I was. Actually, more exciting than I was on Anthony Joshua.
So how many fights have you had now?
3-0, 3 KOs.
3 KOs, all in the first round, I believe.
First round, yes sir.
Don't you feel like you might need some rounds in your belt moving forward, or you just whatever comes?
With the knockouts there, we taking it. If the rounds come, we can handle that too. We can go 8 to 10 rounds right now if we wanted to, but you know we gotta move smart. So, if we find a knockout, which is how we train, I'ma go for it. Okay. And that's just what it is, you know, being a knockout artist. That's the best feeling for me, you know. That's what I love to do.
So when it comes to the championship fights, what weight are you going to be fighting at?
154. We actually going to try to see if I can hit 147. But 154 is what I'm feeling, because I'm still growing. I'm still growing into my boxer's body. I've only been doing it for 4 years, so I know it's a lot more muscle that I'm going to develop and, you know, things like that. So I think 154 is going to be a good weight for me. Strong.
And how old are you now?
23.
23.
Started at 19.
Oh, beautiful,
yeah,
beautiful.
Started at 19.
What was your amateur career like? How many amateur fights did you get?
48 fights, a couple of titles, a lot of titles. #1 ranking in the USA. Fought a Cuban kid, you know. I got some real good fights. I fought a lot of the top level guys. Won against a lot of top level guys. Got a lot of knockouts, which is why I got signed. And I just learned a lot through my amateur career. You know, you can't replace that. You can't replace that. But I only had two novice fights. Then I went open. So we've been in the fire a lot. So amateurs really taught me a lot, man. It helped me out so much. And now, you know, it's pretty much no style that I haven't seen because of the amateurs. 46 open fights.
So those who don't know, you're southpaw, nice and stocky.
Yeah.
I believe you're going to be sparring Callum Smith, going to be helping him out for the thing.
Yeah. I think that's real. That's the type of. I'm sorry. That's the type of work that I love. I just finished helping Benavidez get ready for his fight. It was super challenging, you know. It was tough. But I took a lot from it. Now when I get in the ring, even just from that little camp, and I get in the ring now, I'm like, man, these guys just not on the level that I'm on. So, you know, to get the opportunity to jump right back into a world champions camp, it's exciting for me, man. I love it because I know I'm gonna take something from him, and then I go into my next fight just like, man, I'm just on another level. You know, this game is so mental, but when you know that you've done things like that and you've sacrificed, you paid your dues, you get a different level of energy, power, strength, speed, everything in the ring because you just know what you're capable of. You push the limits, you know. So I'm excited to be in Callum. Very excited.
You know what, after that I'm going to have to try and find you because you'll be able to tell me who's going to be the best super middleweight in the future.
Yeah.
Either David Benavidez or Callum Smith.
It's going to be tough for him to top David, I ain't going to lie. Man, I got a lot of respect for David.
Okay.
He's a young kid. I mean, he's 22, been doing it for a long time. But he very advanced. One of the most advanced fighters I've been in the ring with. So,
I mean, Callum Smith is good too. He's ranked as #1 right now in the super middleweight. So, and he's got the Ring Magazine belt. So they see him as the #1 because he beat Judge Grove. So, you know.
But you know what? I haven't been in the ring with him yet to speak on it. Monday we're gonna get some work. So, you know, I have nothing but respect for him. I'm just saying what I know as of now.
Yeah.
And, I got a lot of respect for Benavidez. You know, different weight class than me, but
you're from Houston, right?
Yeah.
And you've you sparred the twins, haven't you? The Charlie brothers. How'd you find them?
Real good work. Both of them. I like both of them work a lot. You know, We don't work as much as we should. But
Yeah. Who was the harder one for you out of the twins?
Huh?
Who was the harder one for you out of the twins?
That's hard to judge because I sparred one of them when I wasn't even boxing for a year yet.
Okay.
I sparred Jamil when I was a little more advanced, so we got to get some real work in.
Yeah.
So I can't judge that one.
Yeah.
I think now, like I went in, I sparred, I had a week of sparring. I sparred one on Monday, sparred one on Wednesday, and I was
Okay. Well, I'm not going to be selfish now. You've got some work to do. I'll catch you up afterwards.
Thank you.
October 26th. Man down, right? Man down?
Sir.
All right.